Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to attach Teespring to your Wix website so you can easily showcase and sell your Teespring merchandise directly from your site. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, mugs, or other products, this process will help you integrate your Teespring store into your Wix site. Let's get started. First, log into your Teespring account and go to your store dashboard. Create your products or ensure they're ready for embedding. Once everything is set, open your Wix website editor. Navigate to the page where you want to showcase your Teespring products. This could be a shop or merch page, and add a new section or button that will link to your Teespring products. Since Wix doesn't have a native Teespring app, the easiest way to integrate Teespring is by using product widgets or direct product links. In your Teespring account, copy the embed code or product URL for the item you want to feature. Then, in Wix, click Add, Embed HTML or embed a widget and paste the embed code into the HTML box. Alternatively, you can add a button and set its link to the Teespring product URL. Before finalizing, make sure to preview the page to check how the Teespring products appear on your site and confirm that the link works correctly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish or update your Wix site so visitors can browse and purchase your Teespring products directly. Don't forget to test the site on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything displays correctly and the checkout process runs smoothly. And that's it. Now your Wix website seamlessly features your Teespring merchandise. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Wix integration tutorials.